Happy rate cut Wednesday, everyone. Oh my gosh, Chairman Powell actually just cut rates by quarter point. Well, that's for the banks. We actually get a little bit of that passed on to us, but not much. The good news is the 10-year is actually down a little bit. It's around 4. So that makes your long-term rates a little bit more palatable. As commercial debt side, we're actually seeing long-term rates in the low sixes, sometimes high fives, depending on the leverage and the cash flow of the asset. So that is good. That is very, very good. Now, the flip side, and this is kind of conspiracy theory right here as far as like why this happened as far as the shut down the government, but we don't have much data to go off of, but intuitively know like stuff's about to happen. But we've already starting to see like the layoffs are starting to happen. Now they're blaming AI and some EV stuff, like GM's laying off 1,700. You got Amazon just laid off 14,000. You got Paramount just laid off 1,000. Those are big, big numbers. Something's happening in the economy, and it's not just AI. And I've got to believe like it's going to get pretty hard here towards the end of the year. That's usually when layoffs happen, but this is going to get pretty worrisome. I'm a little bit worried more about a stagflation type of mode versus a recession, but we're probably headed into a recession. Probably not technically, but we've already probably been there a couple of times. So that means rates are actually going to come down. But inflation is still sticky high. The dispersion between what the value of the assets are and the cash flow is still not there. So there's got to be a correction from that standpoint. The good news is there's plenty of capital out there to be leveraged from the debt side as well as privately. So if you're a business owner looking for private capital debt or more traditional debt, like happy to help you out there. There's a lot of great capital out there for you that is going to be less expensive than you ever going to see before. And also, if you have dry powder and looking to invest, but a little bit scared about the overpriced stock market or not necessarily want to sponsor something that's overpriced as far as real estate, we have businesses and real estate investors looking to that are needing some capital, non-traditional capital for debt, sometimes investments. Happy to make some introductions there. So dry powder, looking for a home, come see me. If you need capital for your commercial projects or your business, plenty of lending out there for you in very good terms. So reach out, keep your head high, but also keep it on swivel.